Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg here with you. Today we're smoking some cheese, and I don't know if you've gone to the grocery store lately, but those cheese prices are crazy. So I went to the big box store, picked up some really nice yellow cheddar and sharp white cheddar, and we're going to smoke it on our RT680 on the cold box, and we're going to use our Ultimate Blend pellet. We're going to get some great flavor there. Okay, so our little cheat to make it move around is we're going to use a grill mat, and we're going to lay these cheeses out. I've got the RT680 set at 180 degrees, and this is something really good to do early in the morning, late in the evening, when typically the outside temperature is a little bit cooler. We're gonna let this smoke for about 90 to 120 minutes, and then at the end we'll wrap it up in some paper, let it sit for a couple days, slice it up and eat it, and it's gonna be fantastic. So behold the power of cheese. So we let our cheese smoke for about 90 minutes. It smells great. So it is still pretty warm, so there's a couple of things we want to do to really enhance that smoke flavor. So what we'll do is we'll grab some plastic wrap. You can also use parchment paper, works out great too. Grab that cheese and go ahead and wrap it up nice and tight, and it will continue to build some smoke flavor. I would recommend leaving this in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 days. And you would be surprised at how absolutely delicious this ends up being. So we've let our cheese rest for a couple days in the fridge. It smells really good. This is extra sharp white cheddar and just a regular, like I said, it was medium sharp. So I'd go ahead and slice these up into little pieces for our cheese board. So next time you want to liven up the cheese board at your next party, grab some blocks of cheese, throw it in the cold box for a couple hours, and enjoy.